This video is so far off of the content that I usually put out that I don't even know where to begin. So there are a lot of you guys that tune into the channel every single week to watch whatever PC build we're putting together, whether it's a build up challenge series video or, you know, one of the really expensive, powerful builds that we build on the channel. You guys are here every week, and I kind of wanted to make this video today to give you guys a heads up on what's gonna be happening in the next few weeks. And what I mean by that is the lack of content that there is gonna be, because I'm not gonna be able to really make a lot of content. And I will explain why. So I'm gonna try and get this done in one take, but if we blast into the past 2 years ago, I went and saw my doctor just for a normal physical. I try to get one every year. I'd like to live long enough to see my kids have kids. So just trying to take care of myself as best I can. And my doctor took my blood and said that my liver enzymes were elevated. Now, they didn't seem too alarmed about it, so I didn't seem too alarmed about it. You know, they gave me the general advice: eat better, take better care of yourself, exercise, and just stay active. You know, the typical things that a doctor's gonna say. Well, you fast forward to this year, I went back and saw my doctor to get a physical, and they took my blood again, and this time my liver enzymes were even worse. So my doctor recommended that I go get an ultrasound, which I thought was crazy because I honestly never even thought ultrasounds were for anything other than pregnant women, but apparently it's also to look at your liver. So they went ahead and looked at my liver. My liver looks like an alcoholic's liver, even though I may have had 10 drinks in the past 2 years. So it's not alcohol that's affecting my liver, but what they did find was a whole bunch of gallstones in my gallbladder, and that is affecting my liver. So they recommended that I go see a general surgeon that performs, you know, surgery to remove your gallbladder. So they recommended that I get my gallbladder taken out, which is actually happening 2 days after, you know, recording this right now. I'm gonna go get my gallbladder removed. It's not a serious, it's like a 17-minute surgery. I'm gonna get my surgery, I'll probably spend a few hours in the hospital, and then I'll be home by the end of the day. So it's not like a crazy surgery, but I do, I was told that it's gonna take about 2 weeks to recover, you know, 10 days or so. So I did take that time off work. And it's gonna be weird to me to not make content for 2 weeks because I'm so used to doing it now. I think in the past 3 years of this channel's life, I may have taken a month off. I may have missed only 4 weeks worth of uploads. I upload every single week for you guys. And so it's gonna be kind of a strange thing to not make videos for you guys, but because of that, and because a lot of you guys know that Saturday I come out with a video, and a lot of you guys look forward to it. So I don't want you guys to be looking forward to the Saturday's video and there not be one. So I figured I had to go ahead and make this video so that you guys knew why. I've never had surgery, and I'm actually pretty nervous. Now, this is not a sympathy post. The gallbladder issue is 100% my fault. It's because I have an absolute terrible diet. I like awful food. All the foods that I like are just like the worst things for you to eat. It is definitely gonna be weird to not make content for 2 weeks and kind of just try and take it easy as best as possible. But, you know, on the plus side, it actually is gonna give me a little bit of time to like play some of the games that I test. I don't actually play video games like at all anymore because I don't have any time. And this beautiful thing right here deserves to be played on. So I think maybe if I'm feeling up for it, maybe I'll do a live stream. But please, bear with me while I take 2 weeks off to recover from this stupid surgery. Hopefully, by the time I come back, I feel like a brand new man. But while we're at it, please hit that bell icon to get notified if I do go in for a live stream. I would love it if you guys join me. Now, I can't guarantee that I'm gonna feel well enough to live stream, but I'm probably gonna get pretty bored and I'm gonna wanna do a live stream. And I would love to see all of you guys there. But in the meantime, guys, just remember, no matter where you are in the world, I hope that you're having a fantastic day. And I'm gonna see you right here in the next video.